This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Jessica Holloway. Tucked into the woods just 15 minutes from town and only 5 minutes from the Hanging Dog Recreation Area on Lake Hiwassee, this well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath chalet cabin offers privacy, comfort, and convenience. The open floor plan features a cozy fireplace and abundant natural light, with thoughtfully tinted windows that brighten the space without harsh afternoon glare. It's a mountain home that feels familiar, but stands apart. Inside, the home feels warm and inviting, with a layout that flows easily for everyday living, weekend getaways, or hosting friends and family. The space has a relaxed, comfortable feel that's easy to settle into, whether you're enjoying quiet mornings or winding down after a day outdoors. Step outside to a generous deck, perfect for grilling, relaxing, entertaining, or unwinding after a short commute from the home office or a day spent on the lake. One of the true standouts is the sought-after garden space, something that's surprisingly hard to find in mountain homes and ideal for anyone wanting room to grow, plant, or simply enjoy the outdoors. A bonus, separate office space with its own heating and cooling adds flexibility for remote work, hobbies, or creative space. There's also an outbuilding for extra storage, always a plus in cabin living. Adding even more value to additional lots convey with the property. Keep them as a privacy buffer, enjoy the extra space, or consider future plans with the possibility of new construction for family or investment. Private, peaceful, and thoughtfully cared for, 116 Grapevine Ridge offers comfort, flexibility, and location, all wrapped into a mountain setting that feels like home. For more information, review the details below.